So you mentioned you could put as little as $1 in to each video. Is that actually how you would do it? Would you actually spend like $1 on each 100 videos? What's the budget you usually do just to get that tiny little boost?
The platforms have minimum, but yes, the minimum in each of the platform. And this is where I'm testing like Google, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok to find those outliers. The same thing or similar thing in a different platform might give you 2x results. But yes, the minimum on each of those. So it depends, is like $5 or $20 depending on the platform. That's what I would do. 20 creatives, the lowest on each one, and then just track it throughout the day. It's not going to go all the way down to the purchases, but you're just looking at the top of the funnel metric. Which one is getting the most clicks? And that's it. It's almost like a little bit of clickbaity, but again, this is a psychological game of what's getting attention, what's telling the right story, the strong hook, and you're going to find the one that's 2, 5, 10x performance better than the rest. Then you dial in on that one. Then that one, you want to track that all the way down to the purchase, make variations. But most don't even get to the finding of the outliers, and they're stuck in the worst 75% of the content creative, and they never get that virality or that viral channel or video. You kind of hear this from like people that have been doing it for years, that they have virality because they tested like 500 things. Maybe it took them a year, but try to condense those 500 videos into a week. It sounds extreme, but after you make 20 of them, then you start looking at competitive tools. You start having a meditation session to inspire you, or you go on a jog, or you kind of talk to people. You have different team members come up with ideas. You start approaching these creative ways of coming up with idea, and that's when you find the outliers because you tested enough. So that's kind of like the more straightforward approach, even though it's like a lot, you kind of have to get creative. The other one is something along partnerships.